Welcome back. The Congress party wants Senior Rane to continue as the leader of opposition and a young face from minority community to head the party organization. Junior Rane said this in Prudent's weekly Counterpoint. Vishwajit claims that he was never a part of government toppling attempts, nor has he attempted such a thing. He rubbished allegations of corruption during Congress regime, calling it just a corruption tag. The Junior Rane also challenged the BJP-led government to scrap the regional plan.
Yes, corruption was a tag that was put on the Congress party, and I believe that the BJP managed in putting this tag on us. Belgav cheap asa, but hanga 15-20% inflation zata because of entry tax, and कोण तेजेर control करू शकना. एकूच तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या की हे सरकार सगळ्या गोष्टीचेर यू-टर्न घेतले आसा, आणि यू-टर्न जेन्ना घेता सामान्य मनशाक सामको त्रासान उडोवन यू-टर्न घेवंक लागले. And म्हाका दिसता की जे कितें रिऑर्गनायझेशन एंड जे श्री दिग्विजय सिंग जीन आमकां मार्गदर्शन काल केल्लें आसा, म्हाका दिसना की खंय ना खंय आमी कमी पडटले.
खूपशे वावडे जाले की सरकार उडोवपाच्यो घडामोडी चलता म्हणून.
ना हे अफवा.
तुम्ही नाशिल्ले ताजे?
हांव आमचे ऑपोजिशन लीडर चॅकअपाक गेल्ले की हांव नासलोच, म्हाका तर कोण सांगत ना, म्हाका कोण घेवंक बी ना. आनी कितें आसा, काँग्रेस इज आउटसायड फोर्स. आयज कितेंय सांगू सरकार, आयज स्कूल टायमिंग वाडोवपाची गरज नसली, आनी जे तरेन वाडयला, जे काम करपी लोक आहा तांकां भुरग्यांक पिकअप करपाक वचपाक त्रास जावंक लागला. And even if you want to do it, call a meeting in Minezir Braganza Hall or any hall you want of all the parents teachers associations and all the teachers and take a view. Ki Pratap Singh Rane should be opposition leader. Ultimately this decision is in the hands of the High Command, and the party president, where you require a much more younger person who can coordinate and work at grassroots, run around, take issues to the people, should be from the minority community.
70 is very close to your heart.
Yes.
Development जाता 70 सध्या.
Development काहीच जावना. जे माझे प्रकल्प ते सगळे बंद उडयल्या. अपॉइंटमेंट मेळो नाका.
सीएम कडे अपॉइंटमेंट.
ओके, कोणाक सांगतलो? हांवें विनंती केला, पण म्हाका एक दोनदा मनीस ट्राय करू शकता. त्याचे उपरांत I cannot be continuously trying.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
The official website of the government was hacked and the hackers left a remark mentioning Pakistan Zindabad. The moment one accesses this website, they are welcomed by the remark endorsed on the opening page. Not just that, the hackers have also loaded their own music composition. Unfortunately, none of the government officials have corrected the error or blocked the page. The hacked website is open for viewing till late evening on Sunday. This is the official website of the government printing press and stationery. It is the most often and frequently visited website by the cross sections, may it be for government tenders, notifications or the gazettes. Have a look. The moment you click on the website, this is the remark you get: Pakistan Zindabad. There are a lot more unknown words and figures on the home page. Not just that, the smart hackers have also installed music to the website. Listen to this music. The website mentions bulletins, search for e-gazettes, search e-gazettes by dates, acts, gazettes, and about the website details. These sections on internal pages have not yet been hacked. With detailed surfing, one can still get an access to these details on internal pages. Till late evening on Sunday, the website page is not corrected by the government officials. Probably nobody noticed it. When government officials are enjoying the weekend, some hackers have played their trick. That too on the government website. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Chetan Gauss for Prudent. More than 600 mining dependents in Kuchade and Sange were given assistance under a mining package on Sunday. Kuchade MLA Nilesh Cabral said that the BJP-led government will fulfill its promise on mining package to mining dependents. Sange MLA Subhash Desai condemned the Goa desk in charge of Congress, Digvijay Singh's statement rejecting Goa's right to claim the mining package from the centre.
Almost 1000 लोकांक आनीक पॅकेजाचे जे प्रॉमिस केले ते पैसे आता पावतले आणि हांव इतले सांगूंक सोदता की जे मायनिंग इफेक्टेड लोक आसा ते 100% मायनिंग चालू जातले थोड्या दिसांनी लीगल मायनिंग चालू जातले.
सरकार जेन्ना सत्तेर आयले आनी तांणी मायनिंग लोकां खातीर जे बेरोजगार जाल्ले आसा, ज्यांच्या ट्रकाचेर खूब हानी हें जाल्लें आसा, बेकार आसात, तांचे खातीर सरकारान एक पॅकेज दिलें आनी आयज सांग्यार मोठ्या प्रमाणान जवळ जवळ 90% लोकांक जे पयशे एप्लाय केल्ले तांकां पयशे मेळपाक लागले आनी आयज सादारण ते सांगे भागा भितर 350 लोकांक हें डिस्ट्रिब्युशन जाल्लें, म्हणजेच अमाउंटींग टू मोर दॅन 2 कोटीच्या वयर आयज पयशाचे जे मंजुरी पत्र आसात ते दिल्ले आसात.
However, Subhash Faldesai came down heavily on Congress government. He has condemned the statement made by Digvijay Singh on illegal mining in Goa.
सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट आसा हे आमचे कडेन दुर्लक्ष करता. सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचो काँग्रेसीचो जो प्रवक्ता आसा तो प्रवक्ता येवन सांगता पॅकेज किस बात की, इलिगल किया है. आमी जेन्ना पळय मोठ्या प्रमाणान 8 पटी म्हळ्यार 8,000 कोटी सुमार प्रत्येक वर्साक जेन्ना पळय सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाक वता आमचो कांयच हक्क जायना आनी तांचे प्रवक्ता प्रभारी कोण येता हांगा आनीक गोंयकाराचो अपमान करता की गोंयकारांनी इलिगल मायनिंग केला ताणी तें भोगपा जाय, सेंट्रल ताका जबाबदार ना किंवा सेंट्रला कडच्यान एक पयसो मेळचो ना, ही ठाम भुमिका काँग्रेसीची घेतल्या. हांव निशेध करता.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
The work of mining bypass from Sangay to Sawadde is at a standstill. Only 3 kilometers of the road has been completed out of an 8.7 kilometer long stretch. Contractors point fingers at the government for no payment. However, BJP MLAs in the mining belt are unaware of this fact. They feel it's a fallout of the mining ban. This is the mining bypass from Sangay to Sawadde. It is an 8.7 kilometer long road which covers a stretch from Uge to Guddemal and Guddemal to Kapshe. The work on the bypass had commenced immediately after BJP-led government came to power. It was assurance during BJP's poll campaign. But now the work is pending. Only 3 kilometers of the 8.7 kilometer stretch of road is complete. But Kuchade MLA Nilesh Kabral said work must have stopped due to mining ban. He expects legal mining to start by November.
पण आता मायनिंगूच बंद आसा आनी थंय जर पयशे घालतले जाल्यार दुसरें डेव्हलपमेंट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बंद जातलें. हें कारण जावंक शकता की तितलो एक्टिविटी ना मायनिंगाच्या बायपासाचेर. पूण जो फर्स्ट फेज बायपास चालू केल्लो तो एक्चुअली चालू आसपाक जालो, पूण कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जो काँग्रेसी टायमार एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर अपॉयंट केल्लो कांय पेपर वर्क करनासतना, सारकी पेपर वर्क करनासतना त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान आतां काम बंद दवरलां. मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली आमचे जे मायनिंग जे आसा लिगल मायनिंग बी स्टार्ट जावपाक म्हाका दिसता नोव्हेंबरान बी चालू जावपाचे संभावना आसा.
Vehicles of the locals from the area were engaged for the project, but their payments are due. People claim that the contractors have not released their payments. However, the contractors blame it on the government. They say the government has not released their due amount. We question the Sangay MLA Subhash Faldesai. He says rehabilitation of the mining dependence is a priority in current crisis and not the mining infrastructure.
आणि 200 कोटीचो रस्तो करतलो आनी तो बेकार उरतलो, सरकाराचे पयशे ब्लॉक उरतले, ह्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान फुडलें काम जे आसा तें बंद दवरिल्लें आसा. आमची प्राथमिकता कितें आसा की मायनिंगा मुळे बेरोजगार जाल्ले ट्रकवाले किंवा कर्मचारी हांचे कडेन जे फंडांतल्यान आसा ते पयली प्राथमिकता ते उपाश आसा त्या लोकांक जेवण घालपाची, न्हय की बायपास.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.